Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about angle between two circles. Okay, in this question what will happen? He will give two circles. Okay, then he will be going to ask what will be the angle between those two circles. Okay, so let's see the question. The question is the angle between the circle x square plus y square minus 12x minus 10y minus 55 equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 8x minus 2y minus 99 equal to 0, okay, is dash. So actually what happened in this question, he has given two circles, circle 1 and circle 2. He is asking to find what could be the angle between these two circles. Now to solve this problem there will be one shortcut in the MSET. The shortcut is something like this. The angle between the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 2g1x plus 2fy1 plus c1 equal to 0 is cos theta equal to c plus c1 minus 2 into gg1 plus ff1 by 2 r1. So what you have to do in this, you just need to find c value, c1 value, g value, g1 value, f value, f1 value, r value, r1 value. Okay, c means first circle center, c1 means second circle center, first circle g value, second circle g value, first circle f value, second circle f value, first circle r value, second circle r value. Okay, once I find all those value, I just need to substitute in this equation. I will be getting the angle between the circle. So I am finding r1 value. We know r value as under root of g square plus f square minus c. So I am getting like 116. In similar way, I am finding r2 value. I am getting answer under root of 116. So I obtain r value and r1 value. Now I need to find g1 and g2 value. So I will be finding g1 value, g value from this, g1 value from this, f value from this, f2 value from this. So I obtain g value as minus 6, f value as 4, g value as minus 6, f value as minus 5, c value as minus 55, g1 value as 4, f1 value as minus 1, c1 value as 99. After obtaining all this value, I just need to substitute in this equation. I am substituting all this value. Once I am substituting all this value, I am getting something like this. Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. We know one thing, that modulus of a number will never be negative. The same thing what we have learned in class 8th. I hope you remember that topic. The same topic I am applying here. So once I am applying here, the negative, whatever the negative value will be there na, inside a modulus, it will become positive. So I am getting something like this. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. That 1 by 2 we can write as cos inverse of pi by 3. Okay. So this cos and that cos will get cancelled and we will be getting theta value as pi by 3. This will be my answer. This is my shortcut to solve the angle between the two circle. Okay. He has given two circle. In order to find the angle between those two circles, this will be the shortcut. See how easy it is. By applying the shortcut, you will just get the answer. In MSET is all about saving time. How you can save your time. MSET is all about saving time and acquiring good marks. Hope you understand my video. If you understand my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel with your family, friend and colleague, so that I may come up with some more videos of this kind. Thank you.